sharper the more you exercise it. Clear? Now, consider yourself to be a detective. You are a young detective. You chase a thief to a large building with 25 rooms. With the help of 4 successive eyewitnesses' accounts, find out the room in which the thief is hiding. I saw him go to the apartment just above him. So just above him, the thief goes here. I saw him go into the one just before the one above that. So just before the one above that. So it is again M. I saw him in the apartment that is just after the one that is 2 below that. So 2 below that is P. Okay. I thought I saw him leave the apartment below that, but I was mistaken. I am certain that I saw him later. He was just in the one that is just before the one that I just said I thought he was in. So just one before, that is in. Okay, I hope it's clear to all of you. See, here is a fun game that you can play with your friends. Ask all your friends to stand in a line and appoint one of them as the picker. Now choose a friend in the line without telling the picker. Give clues to the picker so that he or she can find out who that person is. Clues could be like this: he is neither the shortest person nor the tallest, or he has short hair. So this is a fun game. You all can play this when the school reopens along with your friends, and now you can play with your cousin, brother or sister, or whoever is there with you at home to play. Now next we have thinking and number skills, the number 6. If you add or multiply 1, 2 and 3, you will get the number 6. These are for your reference. 6 refers to half a dozen. All insects have 6 legs. In astrology, Virgo is the 6th astrological sign of the zodiac. The number of faces on a cube is 6. The highest number you can roll with a dice is 6. The number of dots in a braille cell is 6. There are 6 feet in a fathom. A fathom is a unit of length which is used for measuring the depth of water. Volleyball and ice hockey are both played with teams of 6 players each. 6 is the most runs scored off a single ball in cricket. Extrasensory perception is sometimes called the sixth sense. The group of strong and well-shaped muscles that can be seen on a person's stomach is called six-pack abs. 6 is the atomic number of carbon. Hexa means 6, so there are 6 sides in a hexagon. Hexagonal structures are quite common in nature. The cells of a honeycomb, the eyes of a housefly, and even a bunch of soap bubbles. Okay? So all are having 6 sides. So these are this you can see is the magical number 6. Grow with Derek. You can play the numbers version of the game 20 questions. One person secretly writes down a number and the others ask questions like, is it an even number? Is it more than 1,000? Now does it have a 4 in it? The answers can only be a yes or a no. The maximum number of questions that can be asked is 20. You have to guess the secret number. Now children, this chapter, that is chapter number 21, the number 6, please go through and learn it. Okay, like what is a fathom? Okay, what is a fathom? How much feet is there in a fathom? Clear? So these are few questions. A honeycomb is having how many sides? What do you mean by hexa? Clear? So these are few questions that can come from this chapter. Okay. Now we come to the last chapter, that is the number grid, and you yourself can solve this chapter. I have solved it for you, but the thing is that you yourself also can solve it. Fill in the missing numbers so that in each problem, each of 3 vertical lines, this is 3 vertical lines, 3 horizontal lines, 3 horizontal lines, and 2 diagonal lines, add up to the number given on the side. I'm sorry. So you have to see that adding up these numbers separately, it gives you this number, that is 30. So you can see 12 plus 14 plus 4 is 30. 2 plus 10 plus 18 is 30. 16 plus 6 plus 8 is 30. Again 12 plus 10 plus 8 is 30. 10 plus 16 plus 4 is 30. Again here also if you see 12 plus 2 plus 16 is 30. And in this way also it will come to 30. So in all ways, like this, this and diagonally, whenever you count, the number should come to 30. Okay. Similarly, in this grid, it should come to 36. And in this grid, it should come to 72. Children, this is solved for you. But again, you can use your own options to solve the grid. But yes, it should always come to the number which is given in the box. It should not be less than that. It should not be more than that. Okay. The number grids that you just solved are called magic squares. These grids were used by the people of ancient India. One such magic square has been found at the Parshvanath Jain temple in Khajuraho. So this is again a very important piece of information and you can get question from here. You can easily get a question, one magic square has been found at dash. So you have to tick the correct option or you have to fill in the blank. Okay. So these are the 4 chapters that we have done today. Please complete your work, and along with this I will also send the current affairs. So please all of you write down the current affairs in your GK notebook. Okay. With this we come to an end of the GK class. Have a nice day. All of you, goodbye.